Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be roaming in jailbreak. So let's get right in the video. And please make sure to like, subscribe and share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. So today we will be free roaming in a Lamborghini because a CMO and Batch CC patched it. Now it's faster. So that's why we are free roaming in a Lamborghini. So I will be exploring 2/4 or 3/4 of the map. So make sure to watch the full video. And today I will be doing a giveaway of the purple safes in jailbreak. So comment down your username below and comment a joke with your username. The best 3 jokes will get purple safe. And give me some dares for next video. Give me some Roblox jailbreak dares for next video. I will take max 3 from each player. Each subscriber or viewer. So first I will show you the waterfall which was used for the jet ski or land glitch. Now jet ski can't climb up the waterfall because now the waterfall is not like that. So as you can see, now the waterfall is changed. Now it can be climbed by a jet ski or any car. I will show you the Lamborghini. As you can see, now you can't climb the waterfall. So the jet ski on land glitch is patched. So now I am stuck in here. Let's try some more times to get out. And let me check the chat. And make sure to like my videos and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. So the Lamborghini is very fast now. And you also know that the nuke that was in the live event. So now I will show you Asimo and Batch CC in a secret place. So as you can see now there is no Asimo in the gas station. I will show you where Bat CC is first. I will need a helicopter for that. And if you didn't watch the top 2 glitch video, please watch it. It will be in the description. And I will do it in this video too. But I will show you Asimo and Bat CC in this video also. But please make sure to watch that video. For this, you will need a helicopter. As you can see, there was no Bat CC in the donor store. So if you want to see Bat CC and Asimo, you need to park the heli at the same spot where I am parking. Yes. So you have to drop the rope on the road and then go on the rope, and you will see you are under the map. As you can see, I am nearly under the map. Yes. Now you can see Bat CC there at the donut store. So now I will show you Asimo, where Asimo is. And if you don't know who are Asimo and Bat CC, they are the creators of Jailbreak. So let me go to the gas station where Asimo was. So Asimo is also underground. So you have to park the heli here and drop the rope. And again you have to go on the rope and you will be under the map. If not, try a few times. So as you can see, the legs of Asimo. If you didn't see it, I will show you again from a different spot. So let's try from here. I don't know why Asimo store is like this and Bat CC is normal. Bat CC store is normal. And if you know why, tell it. And Asimo is where my cursor is. As you saw that. If you didn't, reverse the video and pause there. You will see Asimo's leg. So now I will get a torpedo and take some rounds in that. And I think the jewelry store is open, so I will go and rob it. Because no one robbed the jewelry store for a while. Children, torpedo is still fast, and it is like the second or third fastest vehicle in Jailbreak. The first one is I think it's Roadster. And remember to comment on your username below with a joke to win a purple safe. So now I am going to rob the jewelry store. As you can see, it's open. Now it's a easy robbery, and if you have a duffel bag in this game, it gives very good amount of money. So I prefer you rob it if it's open and the hobby is very easy. All the hobbies of jewelry stores are very easy. So as you can see the laser one, I don't have jetpack for now. And if you have jetpack, it makes the hobby a lot easier. So let me got this easy hobby and make sure not to in the jewelry store. And always keep a donut with you. And because if you are low health, you can heal with it. And if you are fighting with the cop, then also. So now we can't collect the money from just touching the fence. You have to go inside the criminal base to collect the money. As you can see, I had to go in the criminal base. So now, as you can see, Torpedo's backward speed is also very good. So there's a passenger train. Let me try to rob as much as I can because it's leaving. I think I can rob Max cash. Yes, I got the Max cash by a briefcase. And remember, if you have a small bag, not a duffel bag, you can always get the Max bag with only a briefcase. So if you are late, the train left where it stops, you can you just get a briefcase and you are done. You have the Max cash. So now let me run and collect the money. So I think this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to like, subscribe and share, and turn on the notification bell, and comment your username down below with the joke to win cash.